Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.2683 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 4.01%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, the Fibonacci's, the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out any key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. And now kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Fantom from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC corrective movement, which has now taken us back to around the $0.02 mark. And getting to the 4-hour chart so that I can give you my analysis, here on the 4-hour chart we have been in this massive ABC corrective movement, which has now given us a new low at around the $0.18 mark, and after seeing that low we are seeing a very nice bounce to the upper side, which has been obeying the Elliot wave structures. And if I draw out my Elliot wave structures right here, we have been seeing this impulsive movement to the upper side, and within that impulsive movement to the upper side we have also seen fractal waves in formation within that first wave to the upper side. And if I draw them out, we can have that as the first wave to the upper side, then a wave 2, then we saw a very nice impulsive movement in a wave 3, then a retracement in a wave 4, then this impulsive movement yesterday making our high at around the $0.029 mark in the formation of a wave 5 to the upper side. And having seen this Elliot wave structure information right here, we can now name this as a higher Elliot wave count 1. So using the Elliot wave structures, I'm terming this movement to the upper side as a higher Elliot wave count 1. So I can have this as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side like that. Then I'm expecting a higher Elliot wave count 2 to play out here on the Fantom chart, then expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And I can change the color of this higher Elliot wave count to the upper side to be red. So whatever we are seeing here in red is the higher Elliot wave count to the upper side. And after seeing this impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, we can now sketch out a minimum target area to the lower side in this retracement over here in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of that first wave to the high of that first wave, and that gives me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that target area lies between the $0.25 mark and the $0.2218 mark. So that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to retrace into in the formation of this second wave. And because the wave 2 is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective movement play out over here like this. Have a wave A, then a wave B, then a wave C to fully maximize this target area that I have drawn out over here. And once that plays out and we have the low for that second wave, then we can expect a very nice bounce to the upper side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave. And from there we can also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that third wave to the upper side. So the key scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart are that we are in a retracement over here in the formation of a second wave, and this is happening after facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.288 mark, and we tried to break above that key area of resistance in a pump that we had yesterday, and that was not a success. And right now we are seeing a bit of a pullback in these movements right here, which are supposed to get us into this target area in the formation of a second wave. And once we fully maximize the formation of a second wave, we can expect a very nice bounce to the upper side in the formation of a wave 3. Then also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the 4-hour RSI, we are trading at around the 65 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movement to the lower side in the formation of that second wave. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, though we have started seeing a decrease in volume. So let's be patient and see whether we are going to print a bearish cross so that it can support any movements to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. So and that's the update for Fantom.